Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure checking out the Indianapolis Monument Circle in Indianapolis, Indiana. So here we are at the Indianapolis Monument Circle. This is the Soldiers and Sailors monument. The Indianapolis Monument Circle is the heart of Indianapolis. Here we are walking on Meriden Street. The cross street that we are approaching is Market Street. Here's the monument itself, all lit up at night. So I really recommend checking out Monument Circle at night. Here you can see how well this is lit. And here are the surrounding buildings that are also lit. And if you are happen to be on the hour, usually they will play a tribute on the building on your right that you can see all lit up in different colors. A monument tributing to the men and women who served our country. Here's the theater on your right, and here's a tour of Monument Circle. Here we have the old National Bank. Such a beautiful small theater. Really like the facade. Here the monument pays tribute to the Civil War and also to the Indian War and also the American Revolution. Here you can also check out scooters and take a ride around downtown. Here we have this fountain. So a brief history is that it was built in the late 1800s, dedicated to the public. In 1902, down this street, Market Street, you'll find the Indianapolis Central Market, or Indianapolis City Market, that is. Here we have several buildings here. This is a gated off section. As you can see, they are working on this monument. Here we have a church that is also lit up at night in blue. So if you happen to be in Indianapolis, this is a great place to hang out. As you can see, this is closer to midnight, and as you can see, it still has lots of foot traffic, including the foot traffic on what we saw earlier. Such a beautiful architectural building right there. Here we have several stores. And here's another look at the Soldier and Sailors monument. You can actually go up to the observation deck, and inside it also has a museum dedicated to the memorial of the Civil War. Here you can see the lights that are projected onto the monument. And here's Market Street, and as you can see on that end, you can see the Indiana State Capitol building. I really like how this city of Indianapolis is laid out in a grid fashion, and this Indianapolis Monument Circle is basically the core, the true heart of Indianapolis. So here's a closer look at the fountain. And there's the state capitol again. And as you can see, that building just changed colors. And like I said before, if you happen to be on a certain hour, on top of an hour, it would play some musical effects and a tribute to the men and women who served this country. And we're on the back of the footsteps of where we started. And you can just, at night, basically, just come here and just sit and enjoy your time being here in Indianapolis. Here you can see the tribute. And this is such a detailed memorial. Here you have the war for the Union. Here you have the theater again, and there's the building that would usually play the tribute. And on Market Street, here you have the state capitol in the distance. The state capital of Indiana is Indianapolis. Really love how the city lights up at night, especially viewing it from where we are standing right now. And yeah, so that is the Indianapolis Monument Circle in Indianapolis, Indiana. Hopefully you enjoyed the tour of this soldier and sailors monument. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this place. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.